Hello, makers! I received a lot of comments from our channel members pointing out some misunderstandings on various points, especially concerning the inclusion of Tomarket coins, wallets, and other related aspects. A common issue is the confusion between the three completely different Bitget applications. Bitget Wallet is not the same as Bitget Exchange, and these two are not the same as the Bitget Wallet Lite in Telegram. As I prepare a video to clarify this situation and address the comments I've found, it's important to clear up these misunderstandings before the official coin listing. Many of our viewers seem unsure about the listing timeline, the coins stored in Tomarket's farming pool, and the fate of the gold tickets we purchased. They are also struggling to distinguish between the different wallets. In this video, I'll explain the distribution of the new Bitget wallet that was released this morning on Tomarket and clarify the confusion some people have about the available wallets linked to Bitget. We'll also cover what will happen to your earnings in each wallet. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you might miss future videos and could lose out on key information. So, where do we start? There are many points to cover, and I want us to leave with a clear understanding by the end of this video. First, let's take a look at the new distribution and how to take advantage of it. Then, I'll provide clear criteria for differentiating between each wallet based on your goals for the listing day. Those who plan to sell won't approach it the same as those who want to hold, and those who've stored their coins but aren't sure which wallet to connect to will be in the dark until 2 days after the listing. Lastly, we'll answer some of the most important questions to ensure everyone receives their earnings. Now let's talk about the Bitget Wallet update. This is a new icon inside the Tomarket bot for Bitget's wallet application. Just to reiterate, this wallet is not the Bitget platform or the mini Bitget wallet in Telegram. These are completely different, even though they belong to the same company. If we want to participate in the Bitget launch pool, we can do so using the pre-deposit feature. There's no risk in doing this because the profits from the distribution might offset any losses from the coin's price drop after the listing. The coin may not fall drastically, and the extra earnings could give you a bigger advantage. However, this space is risky, and if you lack the right strategies or don't have the stomach for losses, this may not be the right field for you. For those looking to earn rewards as soon as the coin is listed, the only wallet that will allow this is the Bitget Wallet Lite inside Telegram. Any issues with the app or delays are not my responsibility. I'm just telling you which wallet will officially support the coin's listing before anyone else. Now let's discuss the new Bitget wallet that was updated today. If we click on this new icon, we see a free distribution of 7 billion tokens within the Bitget wallet. I hope things are clear regarding the Bitget platform and wallets. The distribution screen allows us to participate in the free launch pool, but we won't be able to withdraw profits until hours after the listing. As for the Bitget Wallet Lite inside Telegram, that's the one to use for claiming your rewards on the listing day. This third wallet, which looks different from the others, will be the focus of this video. It also has a free distribution campaign, but it's simpler, requiring only the completion of a task to earn Tomarket coins. You can find the details of this task inside this wallet, and the deadline for completing it is December 19th at 8 p.m. GMT, just hours before the official listing. So, what's the first step? We need to download the Bitget Wallet app. Since I already have it, I'll just update it. If you don't have it yet, you can follow the steps. Once you've installed the app and created an account, the next step is to log in. After logging in, we'll see this interface, which should load correctly. As we can see, the wallet now supports the Aptos network. We'll go back to the Tomarket bot to enter the code correctly, confirming that the process was successful. To participate in this event, you simply copy and paste the link into your wallet to claim your reward. Here's the code. It's Toma time. I believe this feature is available for those who hold the 100K ticket, which is distributed to 100,000 users of the bot. This means that if we divide the 7 billion Tomarket coins by these 100,000 users, each person could receive 7,000 coins, though this number could vary depending on the distribution method. Now let's press Copy to Bitget Wallet app and proceed to the wallet interface, where we'll paste the code It's Toma time in the correct field. Once we enter the code and hit Submit, we've completed the task successfully and are now awaiting the reward, which will be credited to the Bitget wallet on December 19th as indicated. If you participate in this event, you should see the Tomarket coins in your wallet once the reward arrives. Since this video is longer than expected, I'll address other important comments, such as how to recover coins from the Tomarket farming pool and which wallet or platform to link for the best results. It may be more profitable to store coins in Tomarket's farming pool rather than selling them early, as the annual yield is 219%, meaning that even if the coin drops by half in the first 2 days, you can still make 19% more by holding on to it. We'll explore this in more detail in the next video. There's a lot more to consider beyond the surface-level discussions you see on social media. That's all for today's video. There's still plenty left to cover, so if you're interested in future updates, including the latest news, tips, and solutions to problems in this space, be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like the video, and leave a positive comment to encourage me to keep producing high-quality content. I'm active on Telegram and try to help with any issues related to meme coins. You can find the link to my Telegram and Telegram group in the description box. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, take care, Tomarket community.